Hi guys, welcome back. So last session we understood what is Camunda and how it is helping developers as well as business, right? So in this session we are going to see at real time how really it is helping developers as well as business people, okay, in real time. Okay, yeah. In this session as well, I'm just taking the same example, whatever we discussed, right? The leave management. Okay, so this is a tool called Camunda Modeler. Okay, so where people will draw the diagram and they will deploy it out. Okay, so I already draw this diagram and I already deployed in my local. Okay, and this diagram is running in my project as of now. Okay, so you can see the diagram, right? Applying the leave and checking the balance, and it will go for manager approval and HR approval. So you can see the difference here. You can see that it is like a system work. Okay, it means some service actually. Okay, and but here you can see that there is some human pick, right? It means that some human activity is required. Manager approval and HR has to approve that. Okay, so this is what basically diagram. Don't worry about it. So how to draw this diagram, how we need to deploy it out. I will teach you in further tutorial on that. Okay, so in this tutorial just we are trying to understand that how really it is working. Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, let me go into browser. Okay, so this is the UI. Okay, login page. Okay, so once I launched that application. Okay, so this account is running in my local, so I'm just logging as a Vino. Okay, so my user ID and credentials, let me log in. Once we can log in, we can able to see like a couple of pages. Okay, so basically we are having three pages. One is like a cockpit and the another one is task list and another one is admin. So you can see now we are in task list page, so it is showing admin as well as cockpit. Okay, if we go into cockpit, okay, you can see here one process definition. Okay, if I go here, you can see that there's a leave management. So whatever diagram we draw, right, that is what leave management. Okay, you can see the name of that leave management.bpmn. Okay, so if I click that, you can see the diagram here, right? So this is the Camunda, but I draw the diagram in Camunda modular tool and I deployed that into here. So it means that it is ready for it. Okay, so we need to start a process and we need to work on it. Let's see how to do it. Okay, so to make it, we need to go first of all task list page. Okay, so here you can see as of now there is no task. Okay, but once I start a process, the leave management process, I'm just trying to start it out. Once I start the process, after I refresh, you can see one request came. Let me go into this task. Okay, this task as of now it is assigned to manager. Okay, and you can go and see the diagram. Okay, it is in this state. Okay, right? So it is going for a manager approval. It is in state. So as I logged in as a Vino, I cannot able to do anything. It is disabled, right? I cannot complete it, save it, and I'm not able to change even the checkbox. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to go for a manager. Let me log out, and I'm logging in as a manager. Maybe so if you are a manager, you can log in using your credentials. Okay. Once you log in, okay, again, if you go into this task now, see you can able to check, right? So this means that this task is assigned to you are a manager now. Okay, so I'm just clicking that and I'm completing it. Once I complete, you can see here now the same HR task, it is moved changed to HR task. It means it's assigned to HR now. Got it? So it is assigned to HR now. No, as a manager he cannot do anything, he done it out his task. So I'm just logging out, log out, log in as a HR. Okay, so now you can see I have access, right? So now you can go and see the diagram also. It is representing in the HR approval. Okay, so you may even go to cockpit and see the process definition. Okay, so you can see one task is pending with HR. Maybe if multiple process if you started, okay, maybe I will show you what I will do. I'll as of now HR is pending, right? As of now this task, maybe what I will do, I log out as a HR and I'm just logging as a Vino. Okay, And if I go to what is the task list, right? Again, if I start a new process, I mean, again, I am applying another leave. Okay. So again, I applied another leave. You can see one is assigning with manager and another one is assigning with HR. You can go and see the diagram, right? If I go now, where the cockpit page, I can see there is one process, okay, but two instances. Okay, see, one is with manager approval, one is HR approval, right? You can see the two instances, right? Now, let me log out and let me log in as a HR. So HR should have one task, right? So let me go to task list page. I cannot do this task anything because it was assigned to manager. Okay, but when I go here, I can check and I can complete this task. Yeah. So once HR approved, the task will get complete, right? Yeah. So again, one task is pending. This is a manager approved task. That's fine. So hope you if we okay. So one thing I let me show you. If you go to cockpit again, if you see the process definition, see only one running instance. That is the pending with manager. So HR task was already approved, right? You can see the differences, right? Hope you clear it, right? You got it right. So how really it is working. So how the beauty of UA and all this stuff, right? Yeah. Thanks for watching.